Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how to install router plate into table and make perfect hole for it. Let's get started. First time place it router plate to exact position where it's going to be and transfer outer size to the workbench tab. Now I'm marking inner size because we need to create like a shelf for the router plate and it will sit on it flush with the workbench tabletop. And now let's cut the inner hole. The hole looks a little bit imperfect, so we will make it more perfect with router. Let's do basic template. I used my table saw to cut 4 wooden pieces from scrap wood. Length is a little bit more than my router plate, like more for 2 inches for each piece, and thickness and width is 3/4 inches. I used double-sided Scotch poster tape to glue wooden pieces to the workbench tab. So template is done, and now I'm going to use my router with trim router bit top bearing to remove unneeded material. So now it looks very nice and we keep going. So now we're going to put our template sticks to the outer size of the router plate. And set up depth of the router bit exactly to the thickness of the router plate. So now we detach original plate from the router standing base. And secure our new plate to it. And now it's time to test how it works.